How to stream your computer screen on TikTok. So if you want to stream your computer screen on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to have an application which is OBS. I recommend you to download OBS. So to go live on your TikTok on PC with your OBS, you need to first install the TikTok application on your phone and OBS Studio software on your PC. You can find the TikTok stream URL and key by searching for it. You can start the TikTok app on your smartphone and click the plus symbol at the bottom, then select the live option. You can choose the title of your live stream and any filter effects you wish to apply. You can select PC or console underneath the click here section. You'll be able to see the TikTok key and URL. You'll need to enter them in the OBS. You can copy and paste these into a file on your mobile phone, email it to yourself to access the file on your PC, and then paste it into your OBS. You can write down the words by hand or type them into OBS. After that, you need to launch your OBS Studio. After launching, your OBS Studio looks like this. Now, once you've launched your OBS Studio, you need to click on Settings. After clicking File, select the stream from the panel to the left, then set Customized Streaming Server to type of stream. Enter the URL stream key and server you copied in your TikTok or paste it into the stream key field. Then click on OK. After that, you'll be ready to stream and then begin streaming. You can change your resolution from your streaming application. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.